a fun bad guy, not a buga. You not happy Sunday for yourself now, she? Maybe your girlfriend like this because she's more like oh man, tell you the story of your life. Oh, girlfriend that say they come, I mean no. Let me say, well, child of your mouth, they say no, they say no. I mean get, don't be get yourself. If you talk again, I'll slap you. If you see me no see, you'll pass here. Pass it like na coconut bread in your head. I go teach you all this one on Sunday like this now. Once you the answer question, people go say, you don't be bad girl. They teach you everything. They help me. See everything about Jesus Christ. They inside this book. Everything about Mary. They inside this book. I will ask you this question. If you tell me, if you don't know, I'll just tell you so that on Sunday like this now, if they ask you, you go able to talk. You go able to do what?
Talk.
Who is the father of Jesus?
The man a carpenter.
No, not be carpenter. The man maybe the man a welder. No, sorry, they put the cost here and they give people. And that's to say, who is the father of Jesus? Now you tell me say the man a carpenter. Now carpenter, not be because now you never be carpenter. No, they put Jesus for carpenter. I'd ask you, what be the name? You tell me say na carpenter. Na carpenter they ask you. No, na carpenter they ask you. Now Joseph be the father of Jesus Christ. Put that for your memory. Put that for your memory. What do you call him? The full name of it.
Joseph.
The full name of it. Put that here memory card. Why you laugh? I want to kill him. Number 2, I ask you this question. Me answer me. Maybe if you don't know her, I want you to tell you. But me they get sense. They hear me so. Everything has sense. Oh yeah. Number 2. Who born Jesus?
Na Mary.
No, you get it. See, and now your brain not the sparkle. Your brain not the spark. Voila, you get this one. Like this now, You don't make it like this now. You see, your imagine and say, you don't cash out, you don't buy Benz. You don't get this one now. Maybe they ask now from the school now. They ask you say, who born Jesus? What do you say now?
I got that Mary.
Good. I see. Don't worry, my house, more for very soon. You don't see. Oh yeah. You don't get that now. You don't get this one now. You're the happy. You don't cash out. You're the happy. This one might be the last one now. Might be the last one. You see me. Who create God?
Nobody.
No, nobody create God. Abi? No, you don't get sense like nobody create God. You don't wise. That's why you don't know anything so. How many class you did?
2.
My 2. Maybe not my 2 now, maybe now I don't see me no good. See, man tell you one thing, not the flame that argues for you. Me tell you now God, I create God.
Create God though.
Okay, no way. You want the flame that argue, Abi? I say now God, I create God, you want the flame that argue. See, I'm not telling you who call this line like this, God, I create that God. You hear me so? No, you understand me, Abi? God, I create that God. So now God,
Nobody create God.
God, I create God. You tell me say nobody create. You want the flame that argue, Abi? Like you know they do anything, so you want the flame that argue.
Nobody create God.
Now God, I create God.
Nobody create God.
Now God, I create God.
Nobody create God.
Who they give him? Now God, I create God.
Nobody create God.
Now God, I create God.
Nobody create God.
Me tell you something. Wait God create that God so, and that God wey God create, na I call creators. So, na God na I create God.
Nobody create God.
Na God na.
Nobody create God.
No wait, so you let me cause Ogun?
Drop it.